Hello, I'm Cameron from Global Unboxing. I'm a man with a lot of questions and a lot of things I want to buy. I'm very happy to be here with you today. We're gonna be doing some unboxing. I'm so excited because we don't have just one box. We don't have just two boxes. We have 4 boxes we are going to rip open and see what's inside. So without any further ado, let's get down to this unboxing. Oh my gosh, it is jelly! 300,000 of this comes over you, the smell, the taste. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, we've got our first box. It's kind of heavy. It's got like food or rocks in it. I don't know, this is kind of heavy. And I can't tell what it is by shaking it, so we're gonna get right into this. Make sure I don't cut anything. Ooh. Okay, let's put this down here. HemoHim. Okay, right off the bat, you see HemoHim in orange letters right there. Now, my understanding of this, hemo comes from blood, hemoglobin, right? And then him, this isn't doing with like him, her, it. This is actually the Korean word for like power, him, energy, something like that. Let's dig into this one. Okay, wow, there's a lot in here. So, as you can see, the HemoHim, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 10 boxes, mini boxes in here. And if I'm not mistaken, if I open here, you open it, yeah. So inside of each of these individual boxes, there's actually 6 of these packets. So we'll look at some of the highlights. Let's see, let me pull it up here. Okay, so it's saying that it was the top seller for over 7 years in a row. Wow, that is a long, so out of all of ATOMY products, this is like their flagship product. But like, how many were sold?
Yeah, sales of more than 300,000 boxes per month.
300,000, like not this 300,000, but like
the whole box itself.
300,000 of this?
Yeah, I know, right? And it is say 2 trillion won in com sales as well.
That's I don't know, that's a big number.
Yeah, 2 trillion.
That is a lot. So this is a very popular product by any standard that you calculate it. So there is that faith of the customer that people really do believe in the effectiveness of this. Let's see if there are any like reviews on it. So it's saying right here that one of the people that drank this every day, that their nose allergies, like coughing and stuffy nose, that got better. And then someone else is talking about vitality. So when they woke up in the morning, they felt refreshed and their eyes just popped open because this gave them so much more energy. Well, that's definitely something I need. I'm always tired. I never get enough sleep. So if this can help me feel more rested in the morning, that is definitely worth it. But I've got to say, if this doesn't taste good, I don't think you can drink it every day. Like some of these, I've had some of these before. Real talk, okay. I've had some of these kind of health drinks before. Some of them taste really, really bad. PD, you know, I kind of have the taste buds of a child, right?
Yeah, you do, right?
If it doesn't taste good, I'm not gonna drink this.
Well, let's jump on it and try, shall we?
Okay. Okay, all right, that's not bad. It has a honey taste. It's a little bitter, PD.
A little bitter.
It's a little bitter.
Okay, then let's try with this.
Okay. This is ATOMY Organic Raw Cane Sugar.
Yes.
Ooh. Healthy sweetness, I like that. One. It's a little bitter. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bitter, so I'm gonna do 2 scoops. I'm gonna stir it up well. Okay, and then I just push this whole thing in.
Yes, and mix it up, stir it.
All right. So let's see how this lightens up the flavor. You know, it's kind of like, you know when you get a cold in the winter and you like want like hot tea with honey or like hot water with honey and lemon, it's kind of that same type of flavor. It's really easy to drink and it like warms you up, feels really good. I could drink this. How often? I could drink this every day. Are you supposed to drink this every day? Ah, okay. It says here that you have one packet, that you have 2 packets every day. So I'm assuming once in the morning and once at night. So in the morning, you know, sometimes you're really busy, so you can't have like an actual breakfast that's gonna push you through the day. So you could like put one of these in your bag. And so like, you know, while you're walking to work or whatever, you can just kind of suck on it really quickly. And then at night, before you go to bed, heat it up with water and some sugar. It's like a really nice warm drink to have before bed so you can relax into a really restful slumber. I like this. All right.